Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today. And here we have a Dollar Tree piece. Now the Dollar Tree does sell dollhouse miniatures in the toy section or in the craft section, because I've seen them in both sections of the Dollar Tree. And many people enhance these. You can enhance this in any way you want. You can paint it, you can change the knobs and just do different things. Cut the legs out and do something else with it. Convert it into some other type of desk. But today I have just a simple idea. This is just simple and it's an idea. It's not a how-to video because of course this is nothing that's like a science. But I just grabbed my paper. You know the paper that I bought recently? I got like a whole bunch for $1. I got more than this for $1, but right now I just took these out just to show you. But I did cut out several colors, several pieces, and they fit the top of this desk. Now this one in particular was from a deck of cards. That was a deck of cards, but I cut it to the size of this table, and look at how pretty it looks. Look at that. If I were to create something with a theme that was just black and white, this would be great to use on there. And if I wanted to make it permanent, I could paint this desk black. But I kind of don't want to because I have so many other pieces of paper to play with. So I don't want to paint it black yet or paint it any other color yet. So right now I'm just playing around with just tabletops, different tabletops, using designer paper or just any pattern that I like. So look at how pretty the black and white looks. I'm going to change this out for this one. This one is nice for a beach theme. So let's say I make a creation with beach items. That would be a great piece of paper. I have a piece here that I can show you. Look at this. If I was making a creation that had to do anything with the beach, this would be great on there. So let's change this out. Look at this one. Isn't this pretty? This tabletop. I love it. It brings the wood out. The oak. I just think any tabletop will do with the oak. Let's see. Let's change it out. I have another one here. This one is very light. This color, very delicate. It has a floral pattern. But it all depends on the creation. You know what colors go. Now I have another one here. Let's see. So let me switch this one up. How about this one? Look at how pretty that looks. See, those deep colors look really nice against the oak. It brings out the oak. So yeah, so imagine using any other paper that you like, any pattern on a table like this. There's just so much you can do. Simple ideas. And this is some of the paper that I bought recently for just $1. Now let me show you from far where I have the rest. You see over there? I'm going to zoom in. See there? I have all the paper that I bought recently. And I also have pads from Michaels that I have bought over time. So that is all paper. different patterns. Well, I think that this is it. I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.